locked and loaded. Fast pace intro.
Double time flow.
Locked in the zone, yeah, I'm riding with precision. Rack back to slide, got a deadly intuition. 1911, that's a legend in my palm. 45 ACP, yeah, I drop it like a bomb. Glock stay ready, yeah, striker fire clean. Polymer frame, keep it light, keep it mean. M4 tactical, dial in that sight. Red dot glow when I'm locked in the fight. M24, I'm posted in position. Bolt action smooth, one shot, no missing. Breathe in slow, let the trigger break crisp. Every round counts when you living like this.
Beat slows down, methodical focus cadence.
Gotta keep it clean, gotta keep it tight. Break it all down, every piece, every sight. Order and precision, let it run like a dream. If it ain't prepped, it ain't part of the team. Clean that bore, run the rod through smooth. Copper brush twist, yeah, you gotta make it move. Lube up the rails, don't flood, just a touch. Too much oil, that'll jam in the clutch. Mag check, slide lock, reset the rack. Feel the weight, let it balance, never too slack. Thumbs high grip, keep that stance real tight. Recoil control, yeah, I send it down right. 2, 2, 3 in the chamber, keep it lethal. Hollow points rip, but we legal with the eagle. Trigger discipline, never pull till I'm sure. Tighten up the group, keep the center line pure. Gotta keep it clean, gotta keep it tight. Break it all down, every piece, every sight. Order and precision, let it run like a dream. If it ain't prepped, it ain't part of the team.
Take a breath, let it rest. Eyes on the mark, squeeze slow, never yank. Send it through the dark, every part, every piece, every function, every tool. Master your craft or be playing the fool.
Holster in tight, ride high, no print. Draw game smooth, one move, no flinch. Target acquisition, quick hands, real clean. Tactical mind, stay sharp and mean. Steel plates ringing, brass hit the ground. Discipline talk when the big dog's round. No misfire, no stovepipe drop. If the mag don't seat, then you back to the shot. From the range to the real world, skill don't lie. One shot, one kill, got my aim set high. Stay calm in the storm, yeah, that's my creed. Locked and loaded, I was born to lead. Gotta keep it clean, gotta keep it tight. Break it all down, every piece, every sight. Order and precision, let it run like a dream. If it ain't prepped, it ain't part of the team.
Full respect is deep, respect is skill.